Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to link a table of contents to pages in Adobe Acrobat. So the Adobe Acrobat Pro lets you create clickable links from a table of contents, the TOC we call, to specific pages in a PDF, making it easier for readers to navigate along documents. So actually guys, you noticed something. So you'll need to get the Adobe Acrobat Pro subscription first, right? So then guys, you will need to open the PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro, right? So just go ahead, double click on that specific PDF and then go and open the All Tools bar. So it's right here under the menu option on the top left corner. So here guys, you will need to go with the edit a PDF option and or tool, and it's required the Adobe Acrobat Pro as well, right? So if you got or you have that subscription, you will need just to easily followed steps, right? So you will need to select the link or to choose a link and then the add or edit a link afterward, and drag a rectangle around the first table of contents entry, and in the create link dialog box select go to a page view, then click on next and navigate to the page that corresponds to the selected TOC entry and adjust the zoom level if desired. And also guys, you will need to click set link and repeat these steps for each remaining table of contents entry. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.